वासुदेवेन्द्र योगीन्द्रं नत्वा ज्ञानप्रदं गुरुं मुमुक्षूणां हितार्थाय तत्त्वबोधोऽभिधीयते. We started looking at the Pañca kośās. That's where we are at this moment. So I will start from Pañca kośās. If you have any doubts, refer to previous recordings of the Tattva Bodha. Pañca kośāः ke अन्नमयः प्राणमयः मनोमयः विज्ञानमयः आनन्दमयश्चेति. So the student is asking the teacher, you mention the word Pañca kośās, what does it mean? Pancha means 5, kośās means sheaths or layers. K, what is it? So the teacher replied, Anna, food, maya, consisting or made up of food, is this physical body. Then he told that there is one more kośaḥ, pranamayaḥ, that is prana, vital force made up of the prana is this pranamayaḥ, manomayaḥ. So made up of the mind or consisting of the mind is the Manomaya kośā, and consisting of this intellect is this vijñānamayaḥ, and ānandamayaḥ is a bliss sheath made up of bliss. Like that the teacher replied. Then we looked at Annamaya kośā. Annamayaḥ kaha. अन्नरसेनैव भूत्वा अन्नरसेनैव वृद्धिं प्राप्य अन्नरूप पृथिव्यां यद्विलीयते तदन्नमयः कोशः स्थूलशरीरम्. We have looked into this before. Just the gist of it is made up of food, it builds because of food, and then it goes back into the earth, which is also consisting of these 5 elements. What is food? It's basically 5 elements. So this is known as Annamaya kośā. It is subsisting on food. Like that the answer was given. Then we saw Pranamayah. Pranamayah kaha. Pranadayaha panchavayavaha 𝐓𝐑𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐼𝐴 Pranamaya kośaḥ. So what does this mean? It is made up of prana. Prana is a vital force, and it has got the 5 pranas inside that we have seen. Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samana. All this we have seen before. In addition to that, it has got the indriyas. It is 𝐓𝐷𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐼𝐴. So it has got these organs of speech, vāg, then pani, hands, then pada, feet, payu, organ of excretion, and upastha, organ of reproduction. So karmendriyas. These karmendriyas are also a part of the pranamaya kośā. This is all very technical, but we will get to the point why we have to learn all these things. In those days in Indian philosophy, this was how they separated. So when you do a kind of a meditation or when you do a kind of an analysis of yourself, you will be able to separate yourself. So that is the basis behind this. Now, Manomaya kośā is what is to be discussed in this class. So, Manomaya kośā kaha is a question asked by the student. And the answer is given, manaśca jñānendriyapañcakaṃ militvā yo bhavati sa manomayaḥ kośaḥ. So, what is Manomaya kośā is the question. Manaśca, mind, and jñānendriyapañcakaṃ, the group of 5 sense organs, which is known as jñānendriyas. What are those jñānendriyas? Chakṣuhu, eye, Shrotram, ear, Granam, nose, Rasana, tongue, and Tvak, skin. These are known as jñānendriyas. Militvā, combined, mind combined with all these jñānendriyas, yaha bhavati, which becomes sa manomayaḥ kośaḥ. This is known as the Manomaya kośā. So the meaning becomes that which arises from the combination of mind and the 5 sense organs is the Manomaya kośā, the mental sheath.